Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Nana's Farmhouse. Wanted to show you some Santas that we have been working with Michelle from Handcrafted by Michelle with. These are exclusively here at Nana's. They are called the Baker Santa. I have my granddaughter here, Emily. She's going to show you one of those. Emily, would you show them one of the Santas there and tell them about it a little bit?
So these cookie Santas have some very nice features, including a cookie jar with little cookies and his recipes so he can continue making those cookies.
And do they smell? The cookies smell like cookies?
Yeah, I can already smell the cookie season coming.
Yes, so you can check these out on our website. They are all there to pre-order up until September 1st, and they will ship before the Christmas season for you. And we have many of her other Santas here in the store and online. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 314-846-6262. Thanks so much.